Hey, it's Brett and Coach, and welcome to Korzo, the main promenade located here in Rijeka, Croatia. Korzo, described as the beating heart or lifeblood of the city, it is a bright gathering place for locals and tourists. It stretches through the center of town where daily life and socializing takes place within the city. Originally just a gravel coastline, it is now transformed into a landscape featuring multiple different architectural styles. During the day, Korzo is filled with people taking a walk, stopping in at a cafe, grabbing a treat, or just shopping around. While during the evening, it is filled with nightlife, between grabbing dinner and a drink, or listening to live music. Whenever you go, Korzo always has something to do or see, and it's impossible to miss if you ever visit Rijeka. Catch up on all my travel vlogs where I explore this street and the rest of the city, but for now, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in Coach.